Okay, so let's look at antecedent, asymmetrical, and bicentennial. Okay, so antecedent, noun or adjective, things that came before all others, ancestors or family background. You could say, I have antecedents, so nouns, going back to the 1600s. In fact, really, we all do, by definition. So antecedents from a long time ago. Some antecedents to Africa might have come thousands of years earlier. So we have antecedents dating thousands of years ago. Ancestors, a family tree, a long family tree, for example. Family tree like this. There we are. Just like this, yes. Yeah, how cool is that? So asymmetrical. Adjective, when something is not symmetrical and one side is not the same as the other. So let's have a square, for example. That's symmetrical. There's a line of symmetry. It's the same. But if we say one side is like this and the other side is, say, like this, and suddenly it is not symmetrical, not the same on both sides. Not the same on both sides. Like if you held a mirror, not symmetrical. Yeah. The tree is asymmetrical. It has more branches on that side. So, for example, there's a tree. Branches of that side, loads of branches. The tree again, but only a few branches on this side. So it's not symmetrical. Not the same on both sides, as though you hold a mirror to it, a mirror. Bicentennial, noun or adjective, the 200th anniversary of something. So something is 200 years old. We will celebrate the bicentennial soon. So today is 2021. So you're talking 1821. 200 years ago. What happened 200 years ago? All sorts of stuff. Yes. So bi means two. Bi. And centennial. Centennial means 100th. 100th. So bi is two. So the 200th. 200th what? Bicentennial anniversary. Bicentennial celebration. Makes sense. How cool is that? Yeah. So antecedent, asymmetrical, bicentennial. Oops. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.